The ICT 2022 model indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the MOL chart. Traders can also read this page to learn how the indicator works. We select the indicator file from the navigator section and execute the indicator by clicking on the file on the chart. Just make sure to activate the Allow DLL Imports option in the Common section and then click the Confirm button. Start searching and drawing with the indicator on the chart. The ICT model works on a price chart that includes change of character, swing failure patterns, and sweeps within the market. For example, here we were in a Saudi round. In this part, the price moved upwards and broke this level upwards. Then, after 4 candles, it turned downwards. As the price returns to the lower limit of this level, a swing filler pattern has formed for us, which has identified the swing filler pattern with a signal for us. After that, the price has returned and moved downwards, breaking our profit floor downwards, which means a change of character, which has been identified for us here. From the highest absurd level to the lowest, we search for an euphemism, where an unused euphemism was formed for us. The price has a period of 25 candles to return to the limit of this FVG, and after touching the limit of the FVG, it should move out of the FVG. Here, we see that the price moved upward and reached the limit of the FVG, and then closed below the FVG. After the price closed below the limit of the FVG, a sell signal is issued for us, which traders could have used to enter a trade. Let's look carefully for a profit signal in the market. Well, in this section for us, 2 profit day signals have been issued. Here we see a swing, 2 swings, an SFP, another SFP, and a change of character has formed for us. Alright, let's take a look at the chart. The price has moved upward. We had a price correction and a liquidity line formed here and then made its upward move. In this upward movement, a change of character has been formed, which means a change in market behavior, with the price returning to the FWG limit that was formed here, and with the price closing above this FWG level, it was a confirmation to enter the transaction, which gave us a buy signal. After that, the price moved within a range and started to move downward in this area. In this movement, we can see that 2 swing failure patterns, SFPs, were created in a candle, and after that, a sweep occurred. The SFP limits are the levels the price breaks downward. After 4 or 6 candles, it moves upward again and returns to the range it broke. Here we see it has moved upward, and the sweep limits are the levels the price breaks, gathering liquidity below or above support or resistance levels. This is identified as a sweep and is displayed with a signal. After that, the price moved upward and a change of character has formed here. And after 4 or 6 candles, it moves up and returns to the range it broke, which here for us has made its upward move. And the swing ranges are the ranges that the price has broken through those limits and has accumulated liquidity below or above the support or resistance levels, which is recognized as a sweep and is displayed with a signal. After that, the price has moved up. Here, a change-off chart has been formed for us. From the low to the high, this is considered a range for identifying the FVG, which has formed for us here, with the price returning to the FVG range and moving and closing above the FVG level. A buy signal is issued for us. After that, we see that the price made a pullback downward and then it moved upward again. You are right, Simat. In the input section, there are several options available for us. In the first part, you can choose the display settings. including the theme or the custom template of the indicator, which has 3 modes: dark, light, and auto. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart. By choosing the light option, a light template is executed on the chart, the template that is on my chart. And by selecting the auto option, only the colors of the candles change, with profit candles turning bright green and bearish candles turning bright red. In the next section, you can select the indicator settings, where you can select the maximum number of candles for the indicator, and display of the ICT model 2022, which is selected as 5,000 candles, and you can increase or decrease this value. You can enable or disable the display of buy signals. And finally, you can enable or disable the display of sell signals. In this section, I am selecting the dark template and disabling the buy signal. So we can see that my template has changed to a dark color and the buy signal has been removed, leaving only the sell signal. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love to hear your comments and suggestions in the comments section.